Today we are going to make samosa potatoes or samosas. We have onion, cilantro, mint, curry powder, boiled potato, 2 eggs, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, cumin, seeds, coriander seeds, a little bit of chili powder, a little bit of turmeric, some black pepper, raw cashews, some moldy fish flakes, and pecans. There's also pandan leaf, lemongrass, curry leaves. I have some oil. The oil is gonna heat in the pan. I'm gonna chop up the pecans. I'm gonna add all my ingredients into this pan. The shrimp, peel is also added. There's chaat masala also. There's orange juice that's included. Take off all the hard ingredients, and this is my samosa potatoes. Take some oil. We're gonna fry our samosas. We're gonna make the samosas. This is spring roll wrap. I'm gonna warm up my oil. Take 2 spring roll wraps. Have an egg mixture with crushed pepper. Take 2 spring roll wraps and make it into a triangle shape like this. You need to cut the 2 spring rolls in half. Use 1/2 of it from 2 spring rolls. When you cut it in half, you can make 2 samosas. You're gonna put the egg mixture. You can use water also if you like. I'm using an egg mixture. I'm gonna make another triangle, and then I'm gonna close this. The egg mixture is gonna paste my pastry wrap, the spring roll wrap. It's gonna create a pocket where I'm gonna add the samosa potatoes in too. I'm gonna fill this with the samosa potatoes and close the lid. Make sure this is wrapped well. And close the lid on the top like that, and add some more egg mixture on the top. I'm gonna close this and seal the samosa. Make sure the samosa is sealed all the way through. My oil is heating up, so I'm gonna add the samosas to hot oil and fry it. This needs to get sealed all the way before I fry it. Make sure to add more egg wash. That's my oil that's heating up. I'm gonna add this perfect samosa into my oil, and I'm gonna turn this around. It's gonna fry in the oil. Don't fry it too much. Just turn it around like this, and it's good to take it out at the moment, but I'm frying a little bit more. I think taking it out earlier is better so it doesn't get fried too much. I'm taking my samosa out. Make sure you keep the spring rolls in the freezer at the meantime. So these are 2 spring rolls. I'm gonna cut them in half, and each half makes 1 samosa. This is cut in half. These are my samosas that are fried. I'm also going to use the empanada pastry dough. These are looking beautiful. They taste amazing. They're awesome samosas. We can take the samosas that's not fried, put them in Ziploc bags, and we can freeze them and fry them whenever we want. So these I'm gonna freeze and fry them later. And the potato mixture, samosa potatoes, we can put them in the fridge also. And the fried samosas we can cover them in aluminum foil and put them in Ziploc bags and freeze them. These are some samosas, but they're fried too much, so take them out early. I'm gonna show you this dough. This is pastry dough. You can stretch it out. It's a circle, but you can stretch the pastry dough and make the samosas the same way. This dough is really perfect. These make perfect samosas. These this is how my samosas came. They look beautiful and appetizing. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.